So let's look at these practice problems. Identify the angle relationship. So I have two angles, these two angles here. If I add them together, 130 plus 150 is 180. They also make a straight line. That makes them supplementary because complementary is 90 and congruent means they're equal. Practice problem 2. Identify for angle 1 and angle 2. So here's angle 1 and here's angle 2. I see this little box, which means they're making a 90-degree angle. So they are complementary because congruent would mean they're equal, and I don't know that. Supplementary would be a straight line. Practice problem 3. They gave me the numbers. So 27 and 63, they're not congruent. That means the same. I'm going to add these together to see if they make 90 or 180. And they make 90. That is complementary. Practice problem 5. 42 and 42 is the same, making them congruent. Last practice problem. So they didn't give me the number here, but I have angle X and angle one that's 118. Together they're making a straight line, which means they are supplementary. So you don't have to have all the numbers if you have a picture. That's it. Now we're going to learn how to name angles, and then you'll have some practice problems.